Conversations on the phone said I need to find a balance, but I'm never stopping till my checkbook is balanced. Want them zeros and them commas, pay off mama's home, and a couple extra dollars so I can ride around in the city with my own wheels. In the city with my own wheels. Till my 16, who the fuck is you? Yeah, you know we riding and I'm still drinking Alamo. Then I got to kick it cause I got the sipping from the mental stress. See, it's best when it comes from the chest, caring less. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this game, no. And I'm riding, blowing in dough out the window. Can you tell me what you think about on a daily basis? Can we get to conversating? See, I'm spreading through the word of mouth everywhere that I go. Want a different city every night where I go. Chillin' everywhere I go, yeah, yeah. Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Can you tell me, are you serious? Cause it's Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Celebrating us. See, it's minutes I've been counting down, also counting my blessings. They tried to be hating, but see, it's easy. I don't fuck with you counting on the validation through your Instagram and your social media. Yeah, you watch my numbers stack and give your heart the panic attack. And can you realize I just work my ass off? No, I don't sleep, yet I'm grinding on my feet. Cause I sacrifice some money, future's always looking for me. Opportunity awakening, the money I'll be making when this works out right. I'm never looking back, I'm never looking back. I just want to know what you wanna do tonight. It's Chill my 16 and we're celebrating us. Now fuck what you wanna me, yeah, yeah. Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Can you tell me, are you serious? Cause it's Chill my 16, do it all night. Couple mixed drinks, man, we celebrating us. Celebrating us.